Today I'm gonna be trying to do a morning routine, and the reason why I say trying is because this is probably gonna be like a midday. Go to the gym because we have a class at 9:15. We just got out of the gym right now, and we got to the class on time. Showered my doggy because she's been having like hair loss problems, so I got her the shampoo from Amazon. Hopefully it helps her a little bit. But now she's nice and clean. Right, Maple? I'll be back in 10 minutes. Bruh, this thing took forever to dry, and I don't even know if it's dry. So let's see. Now I'm pulling off my baby hairs. Oh shit. Oh. Alright, so now I'm gonna be doing my makeup. And I also do have a mic. Oh my gosh, it looks so oily. Also, don't come for me. I don't know how to do makeup, obviously. And I think this is used for baking, but I honestly just use it to make my face matte. I don't even want to look. Look at how many fell out. All of these fell out. Oh my gosh. At least I don't see like eyeshadow all over the floor, so I think the little pieces just came out. You guys want to hear what it sounds like to put the little palette thingy in? Satisfying. So now if I ever use my Naked 3 palette that my sister gave me, I'm definitely not gonna know what colors they are, but at least it didn't crack. And also, shout out to my sister for giving me a lot of makeup, because a lot of the makeup I have is from her. And I just brush it up. Also, I'm gonna be setting a goal to getting at least 100 subscribers before the end of the year. I know that's a lot because I only have like 7 right now, and I'm so grateful to the new subscribers. A bunch of them are like friends of Kilo, so hi Kilo's friends. Even if people don't watch my videos that are subscribed, thank you still for subscribing, and thank you for that first subscriber I got on my first Universal Studios video, that they literally commented new subscriber or something like that. Thank you for being my first subscriber. So my first subscribers were that person and Maple. Say hi. She's a little shy. Look, this is Maple. This is Maple. She's always with me. She's trying to eat my makeup. But this is my dog. She's a Labrador Retriever, we think. We don't really know. She's been having skin issues lately, which is why I showered her. And we've been giving her vitamins and all that for that. So we're hoping it gets better. But that's why I'm trying to be more consistent. Oh my god, Maple! No. Why you sniff me? I love my Maple. She's so beautiful. I just feel like it's such a like personal thing. Like, I've always wanted to make YouTube videos. When I stopped, I always regretted it. I would always tell everybody that I wanted to make YouTube videos, and I was like low-key sad for a while, just telling myself over and over like I'm gonna make them, and then I would be discouraged. And look at me now doing a get ready with me, which is a video that I've wanted to do for so long. This is one of my favorite mascaras at the moment. It's the Act Natural by ColourPop. and it really gives your eyes that natural look. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself, honestly, for doing this channel. Like, I've made so many other channels that I've made videos and delete, and I want to do this by myself. Like, I'm not posting my channel on Instagram. I'm only telling like my close friends and family. So if you're watching this, just know, and I told you about my channel, just know. I'll see you guys when I get picked up and I'm on my way to color me mine. I'm just gonna do a little OTD. Wearing a long sleeve with these giraffes and these shoes. Look at Ellie's vlogs, bro. Be an artist or whatever. Can you record me? Oh, you're picking up this. Yeah. Do you guys have your receipt? Okay, thank you. Good job. I finished my gnome.
20 years later.
I took forever that the store's closed. This is the next day, and this is me and my sister going to Trader Joe's. I don't think this is their brand. Look how much wine they have. We got vegan noodles, and we're gonna try this from Trader Joe's.
Hard cider, no?
When I went to here, let me get.
Not bad. It tastes like wine, like not super sweet wine. Tastes like juice, like applesauce. I mean apple juice.
Look at what your dog does, Jolene.
Chicken.
Vegan chicken.
The broccoli is good.
This vegan food is good. And it doesn't make my stomach hurt.
When have I ever recommended a nasty place?
I'm just saying, I can eat vegan food.
Cause you like Din Tai Fung too.
Thanks for watching our vlog. Bye. Here's your rat dog, Jolene. No, she's our rat dog now.
Oh yeah, she's my mom's rat dog. Like Connie takes out.
I'm about to try this.
Thank you to Milton's grandma for making this. Each little dot you see is actually a pin. So I'm so grateful that she made this decoration for us. Look how beautiful it is. I think it took a long time to make as well. Why is it? We just went on that one. It's so hot today. We're literally Like, what? Are we gonna go on any more rides?
I want to go on the slides.
Yeah. I think I just sprayed my nose.
River and then we'll get something to eat? Yeah?
Probably. I'm gonna swim like a fish. I'm a mermaid in the water.
You look like a cowgirl.
Yeah, the gift card.
How dare you?
Whose birthday is it today?
Happy birthday!
She's what?
He's sick. On her birthday. So much.
Jealous? You're jealous of the birthday girl?
No, I'm not.
Why is Omar swimming like that? Yeah, that kid's just acting dead right in front of Omar. Why does he look like that? We're going up. What? Yeah. You're so annoying. Omar. We have to walk up all of that and then go down. We're about to go on. This one's so dark.
Little mommy. Now we're in the lazy river.
Look at me, ice cream.
They're screaming so much. We found a floaty. We have our floaty. We all found floaties.
The what? The rim? Oh. Oh yeah, the rim is the same.